Late one afternoon, a stray dog kept barking beside a small canal near our fields and refused to leave that spot. At first everyone ignored it because stray dogs bark all the time, but this one kept returning to the same place, looking down into the canal and barking again, as if it was trying to show something. When someone finally walked closer and looked into the canal, they saw a young boy clinging to the muddy wall, too weak to climb out after slipping in while playing. The dog stayed there until someone finally noticed.